Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use Safari Reader in iPhone iOS 18. Let's have a look. First, open Safari on your iPhone. Open any web page with article. Tap the button to the left of the URL bar. This will open up the settings for the web page. Tap Show Reader. This will minimize any distractions and make it easier to read the web page. From settings, you can change reader background. Also, you can listen to the page.
Aprilia RS457 with quick shift now available at 4.17 lakh rupees.
You can resize reading text. So these are the steps to use Safari Reader in iPhone iOS 18. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.